Hey there, welcome back to the video. So let me check the settings once. Okay, that's great. So welcome back. So what are we covering today? Um, so I do have some things. So let's just get started. Wait, what's the symbol here? What is this symbol? Does that mean it's recording? Okay, yeah, whatever. Let's just get started. We don't have a lot of time, so this video won't be that longer. This video will be roughly around 1 hour. uh, so let's just get into it. So cd desktop, look. Yeah. So where did we end last time? It was, yeah, so it was over here. Void pointer. Yeah, it was over here. So this is where we ended. Void pointer, iterate free list. So we are iterating the free list for you can say uh, for free memory. But if we don't find, like if we iterate first, we create a copy free pointer. We iterate it and we try to find a size that is suitable for the requested size. And if we find it, we'll return the pointer to the block, the free block. And if we don't find it, then we'll call myalloc and request the size for it. And it will return us a void pointer, and we'll return that void pointer to whichever uh, uh, process asked for it. But if who's going to call iterate free list though? Iterate free list will be called by my malloc, right? So wait. So if my malloc is calling iterate free list, hmm, wait. I should rather return. What was that for? Like void pointer minus one, something like that. Yeah. So this one, void pointer minus one. Let's return that, right? Because that will be like my malloc is calling iterate free list, and then iterate free list is again returning my malloc, and then my malloc will again iterate free list. So like I don't think that is how that works. So we'll return void pointer minus one as these guys have returned it. So like void pointer minus one somewhere over here. Where was it? Right, I guess this is it. So void pointer minus one. The mem is okay, guys. Yeah. Memlib. What? Mem. Oh, mem. Memlib. Dot c. Yeah. Mem is okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. So they are returning void pointer minus one. So that's what we'll return to. And here first, when we get the initial size for the request, that's what we will do. What we'll do is we will have a void pointer already present, right? But we do. Okay, so this is confusing. Uh, so we want our iterate free list. Initially, it will be a null pointer. Um, so okay, there are a lot of things that we have to work on, but let's just find something that we should get started with next. Should we get started with my malloc or free? Okay, well, I think we should first work on creating a free list over here, right? In my initialize, not my initial, my init. Wait, what is this? Void free pointer is equal to initial block. Oh yeah, got it. Did I add that? Is this my? No, right? Void free pointer is equal to initial block, but it has the scope of my init. Okay, so I think we should make free pointer like static, like for the entire scope of the program. Anyone can access it, right? So like Malloc can access it too, and free can access it too. Why would free access it? Yeah, free for adding the block to the like when one block will be freed, it should be added to the free list. So let's get started. I hope this is like a good font size for you guys. Like okay, so audio input capture is only this much. So okay, and yep, I think this is a good size. Okay, I'll just add one more. Okay, so my initialize the malloc package called once before any other calls are made. Yeah. So my initialize is first allocating initial memory of 20,000 and the initial block is memory SBRK, initial of the point pointer return minus one. Mm, okay. Initial block return zero. So we created a iterate free list and like in just conf in this confusion we have already spent 6 minutes. That's fine. Okay. So iterate free list is present over here. Just a minute. I'm back. So let's get started. So my malloc. So we covered iterate free list. We have initialize. So let's work on like you can see iterate free list is present. So let's work on creating the free list now, right? So here, so let's get to working. So void free pointer is equal to initial block. So my init initialize the malloc package. I just okay. So what do we have over here? I think I should already like script what I'm going to work on, but I haven't done that. I'm sorry, guys. So, okay, I'm so blank right now. So, okay, we have something to iterate the free list, but now we have to create a free list. So, let's do the thing. Yes? Yeah. So, so just initial memory, right? So, who will be getting the initial memory? So, anyone that will be calling malloc will have access to that memory, and they won't be calling my malloc. They will be calling my malloc again and again. So how about we do something like this? So here we'll create a void pointer. This is the real free pointer, which will be equal to um no, this is just present, and when we give integer fetching generating free pointer, it will be equal to my init and we'll pass free pointer to it. Wait, do we have to like Okay, so free pointer. I'm not sure how C works. Like I'm sure, but I just have to make sure of some stuff. So let's try that out. Okay, so I'm over here. I'm inside temp.c. I have a lot of things. I'm inside here. Okay, so let's say I have a function which is int minus. Yeah, we'll just copy that function. I'll just paste it. So let's say I have a void free pointer over here. Void pointer, free pointer. Wait, but it's inside the main, right? Hmm. So void pointer, free pointer is just present, and uh, we can say what did I write? Yeah. So this is it. This is okay. My three pointer, and I will remove this, and after generating free pointer, so now free pointer should change, right? The value inside it definitely. So uh, printf is equal to %p slash n free pointer, and then I'll do it again. So this should have changed, right? Clang temp.c dot error. Yeah, okay. Printf match this. Okay, %p free pointer. Where was the error? So redefinition of named. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Fair, fair, absolutely fair. So my init was present over here. Let's call it something else. So let's call it yeah, yeah, okay, I got it. So my init. So here we'll call my init. So what do we have over here? Percentage p, expected parameter declarator, printf, percentage p, expected this. Why though? Percentage p, printf, integer type specifier, defaults missing, defaults to int. But int, uh, why though? Void three pointer is present, percentage p, void three pointer, my init, three pointer. Oh, it isn't taking yeah, I didn't do this. So void three pointer will take you inside a, a character named three pointer, and we'll be setting the three pointer to that issue block. So let's try now. So printf, expected parameter declarator, int, okay, it's not compiled, I'm constant. So we can't do that. Is there a static keyword inside it? Is there a static keyword? Um, I'm not sure. Okay, why not yet? How to make variables static? How to make variables static in C? There must be a static keyword, right? Oh, sorry, no, no, not going to check out Clanker. I'm so sorry. So okay, so static int count. Oh, so there is a static keyword. Okay, yeah. So there is a static keyword which I should. I don't think this is allowed. So let's do one thing. So let's move this inside. I'll make this static, right? And then if I do this, yep. Error memory blocker failed, ran out of memory. And why is that though? Because we asked for 20,000 bytes of memory. Hmm, did we ask for a lot? Let's make it 200. Why is it failing? Because we are calling memsbrk 3.0 is equal to initial block. Why don't we just save it inside? No. Okay, that is fair. If initial block is equal to void pointer minus 1, hmm, okay, return 0. Yeah, I should cover this. So if generating free pointer is equal to minus 1, printf some error in my mind. Yeah, some error inside my mind. So what is the error? Why is memsbrk failing? Is there no memsbrk available? Like then must be sbrk, right? Yeah. So we have, oh, is it because like it's supposed to be an unsigned, yeah, it's already an unsigned integer. Okay. Memsbrk plus increment membrk value. So increment. Okay. Membrk, and where are you? Static char pointer membrk. So you do have a static. Okay. Memb size. So we allocate. We are trying to get three pointers equal to initial block. There we are getting some error. Why is that? So void pointer. If I just normally asked for like memsbrk, it's working. So memsbrk is working, but my init is not. Hmm. Sus. So free pointer. Why I should have done this? Let's see the bar. Let's check if it's changing. Right. There is a like uh, error SBRK is feeling, so it should not change. Yeah, that's correct. Fair. But why is it feeling though? It's feeling, SBRK is feeling, and okay, so we are over here. Then SBRK goes here. Then SBRK, sorry, then BRK. So add print statements over here. Then BRK is initialized inside. So membrk is called. Oh, I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it because we are supposed to call this, which I commented out. Totally, noob decision on my part. Yeah, got it. Wait, why did we get the address change? What? It should be different, right? Oh, sorry, GC and X. Oh man, is it not changing because it's creating a completely new copy of pointer? Should I pass in the address? I should be passing the address so it will be able to change like, okay. So I passed a pointer to a pointer. Is that it? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Is that really it? Now the address should be same. Please, please let the address be the same. So I'll change this value, address, value, address. Huh? Just not going to sing it. Let's go. Got it. Got it. So I should create. So what I get from this is I should create a static keyword. Yep. A static void pointer, which is calling myInit by passing address to it, and myInit will be getting a void pointer to a pointer, and initially it should be, yeah, it's 20,000, yeah, whatever. So myInit, it's a pointer to a pointer, and they are getting a free pointer. Sorry, and then we change the value of it. Sorry. So if this seems correct, this seems correct. Totally. I should write some comments over here. So, yeah, I should also. So if generating free pointer is equal to -1, printf error while um error while generating free pointer. Yeah, that is a decent error message, right? Okay. So static void pointer. So here I'll write creating the initial free pointer, creating the initial free pointer. So creating the initial free pointer. Yeah, that's it. Uh, yeah, let's declare it somewhere down. Right? Yeah, this is good. So yes, I guess. So how does it look? Point size, minus, changed a bit, bunch of stuff. No, change that. We change that. Okay. Okay. And then no, sorry, allocated. Yeah. So now our free list is present, and we can get started on a bit how much. Yeah, we are 24 minutes in. We still got time. We have it's 6:25, so we have 35 minutes, I hope. So yeah, let's get started. So uh, static void pointer. Wait, does that work? Does the static keyword work? So if this were supposed to, if this were out, oh, sorry, I'll just take this and move this, right? What? Yeah, okay, got it. I've got another. Why is that? Expected parameter declarator value accepted this. Is it? I'm missing something. So void free pointer, static void. You do have static keywords, right? Static. It's not a new thing. Yeah. So what is the problem? So value free pointer is completely fine. We are not supposed to have like print statements in here. Is that it? Four ordinals or no, two ordinals. So it's not a compile time constant. Then how am I supposed to like make it available for like initializer element is not compile time constant? Yeah, it's not. I know, and it's not supposed to be. So expected identifier as this. Mm. So it's expecting like constant compile time things. How am I supposed to make free pointer uh, available for everything? Wait. I do have something in mind. So void a free pointer. Let's say, how about we do this? Right. This is supposed to be better. Yeah, working totally. I'll try to bring back the print statements now. So works like a charm. So let's go. So that's what we are supposed to do. We can't have print statements outside. Wait. So I have to. Okay. Yeah. Got it. So who is supposed to like? So my init is a free pointer. So I messed up. I messed up big time. So this is what I was supposed to do. Static. Um, but who will call my init though? That is a question too. I was thinking like declaring static point like a free pointer at static and then calling my init. So like my init will change the value of it. Mm, who will call my init though? I don't get it. So wait, so someone will keep spamming my free, my realloc, whatever. They'll keep spamming that. So only my functions will be used. But my init is something. Okay. I get it. So static void pointer. If I do this, so I have a static void. Wait, let's move it around. So just messed up all things. Yeah. So static void pointer. So my init will be called, right? Get diff, come on. Yeah, static void pointer. Mine was changed. That's good. So Q and then allocator.c. Boom. Initialize a Malloc package called once before any other calls are made. Since this is a very simple implementation, we just return success. Yeah, sure. So this is what we have done so far. So unsigned integer initial memory is 20,000. Void pointer initial block mem sprk. Then what we do is void is a pointer to a pointer. Sorry, free pointer is a what pointer to a pointer, and then we dereference it. So dereference to free pointer, is equal to initial block. That's great. All right. So if I go inside this, I do this. Let's say my init function does the same stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So let's see. Too many arguments. Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I got it. So yeah. So yeah. Segmentation fault. Okay. And why did that happen? So void pointer to pointer. We dereference it, give it the value of. Should I make it so like the initial? It should have an initial thing. Is that sorry? Not the D2. So we get value address. Then we try to. So we send it to my init. Initial memory is allocated. Void pointer is equal to memsbrk, and then we just see a segmentation fault. So reached. So mem sbrk worked. Yeah. So mem sbrk did work. Uh, and if this didn't, then sbrk line worked but error. So okay. Yeah, msbrk worked totally. So we reached over here. So let's see. So if I go over here, so void pointer, I shouldn't be doing this, right? Because void is a pointer to a pointer. So I should be doing this. Is that why it was failing? Yeah, we cannot do this dereferencing of the void pointer. So, wait. So if I do printf percentage %p slash n uh, three pointer dereferenced. Yeah, it didn't work. Didn't work. Yep, didn't work that. So it's failing over here. So we have static void pointer to a pointer. We have free pointer. It is null initially. Um, it doesn't matter if it's null, right? Yeah, just be sorry. So it's value. Sorry. So it's not necessarily a value, but I've wrote that, but it's fine. So um, star free pointer. Sorry, not star. Dereferencing a free pointer is initial block. Initial block is a void pointer. Wait, let's take a look at what this looks like. So print. Oh, I did have something here. So delete this. Sorry, delete this. So initial block. Let's take a look at initial block, right? Initial block. Initial block is, yeah, fine. And then we are getting segmentation fault. Okay, are we getting segmentation fault? So I have free pointer, which is a void pointer to a pointer, and it's static. Is it because it's static? We are not supposed to change it or something? So if I have static um, int a b c d equal to 12, and I'm not supposed to change it in C or something. So like what was it? Yeah, ABCD. So ABCD is equal to 3. Is that because of that? No. Also, why would I get a segmentation fault over like changing values? So is it because I'm dereferencing it? So like free pointer was supposed to be initial block directly. Okay, let's try that. Please be this one. I guess don't be this one because I'm not sure. So okay, I'll remove the SVRK and print statements. Yeah, this remove and this remove. Now let's remove this. Yeah, okay. So value is 0, value changed, the address stayed the same. That's fine. Okay, so it worked. So this worked. Um, void pointer to a pointer. I just have to change. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. So if void is a pointer to a pointer, and we are saying like, okay, so the initial block that we got, free pointer, and this will be a pointer to a pointer. Yeah, no, that is logically correct, I guess. So this is supposed to be free pointer. So void pointer to a pointer, free pointer. No, this is initial block, and this is done. So now we have free pointer. Yep, hooray! We have free pointer. Also, this design looks so weird to me, but I know this is good. This is a good design practice. But I will change it for now. I just can't bear it. Sorry. What did we change? Yeah, that's correct. So nvim are allocated. Why am I not able to get inside? Is it allocator? Yeah, sorry. Yes. This work work like a charm. So my realloc, my free pointer, my malloc. So okay. So void free pointer, iterate free list, void free pointer, size t, requested size. Okay. Blah 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 blah. So creating the initial free pointer. This is not this is not doing anything, right? So free pointer, we don't need this. Yeah. So mynet is doing this. Free pointer variable, and then we are allocating initial 20,000 bytes. If it's failed, it will return -1. Free pointer 0. That's great. Okay. So I guess now debugging is done. 38 minutes in, I should have realized that my camera is a little bit off. So okay. Also I'm not centered as well. Okay. Oh, that's great that my mic was not off. Like that would have sucked. But okay. Uh, let's go. So void pointer, copy free pointer. My laptop is heating up. Yeah, 77%. That's fine. We don't need the charge anymore. Okay. So now we have successfully created a free pointer, and then now we can iterate free list. So when will iterate free list be like? When will it work? So it will work inside my malloc. So the first time when we get like uh, white pointer, so we can get the So whenever someone calls my malloc, what it's supposed to do, it should call iterate free list. The first thing that should do, it should call iterate free list. So that's what we'll do. So iterate free list. So like this. Can paste. So someone will call void pointer free list output. I think I really suck at like variable names. Yeah, I believe from my heart, like we suck. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm back. So let's get started. So free pointer. Hmm. So size t requested size. So remove that. So iterate free list needs a free pointer. We don't really care that free pointer. We are just iterating the free pointer, right? If we do find it, then we'll return a void free pointer. Should we change the value to? So like what I'm thinking is that, so let's say while iterating the free list, we find the correct like the correct size of the block. So we are returning a pointer to it. But then how we will mark, like at what point will we mark that this block is now it's now taken, right? So I think this is where we are supposed to do it. But again, so size block, dereference size block plus plus. So what we can do over here is dereference size block plus plus. So now the size block is now even or odd, which is not supposed to be. So that means it's allocated, and then we will return copy free pointer, right? And then when we get the value over here, so this is we don't care that it is. I mean, sorry. So copy free pointer requested size. So this is requested size. Yeah. So they go over here, and then now we will try to. So once this is done, I'm so confused. I'm blanked out because there are a lot of things going in my mind. First is like, okay, so we are sending in a free pointer. Of course, the design issue. I'm always like stuck at design because I think like design, like understanding how my code should be like structured, like that confuses me because I've messed up like in my previous projects I've like messed up and I had to like redesign a lot of stuff. So I want to get this right. I mean I don't want to get this right. I just want to get it like decent. That is fine. But I don't think this is fine because we are iterating free pointer. We have a requested size, and when we have said like it should be greater than size t size and size t size, right? So let's say if it is an exact match. If it is an exact match, then that would suck. Okay, that would suck. So we just add an if conditional over here about that. So if should we also send in like the six pointer? That will be great, right? Yeah. Let's first cover this. So if uh, three list output is equal to void pointer minus one. If we do make it like okay, if we do find it, if we iterate free list and we found out that okay there is no pre-memory that is suitable for the requester size, then we will call memsbrk. Uh, so now memsbrk need to be modified. The free pointer. So how much should we call? Wait, there are a lot of things. I think we'll cover this if condition afterwards. But for now, or should we cover it right now? There's not a lot of time. Let's try to cover something small. So that will be it. Okay. Sorry. What should we cover? I'm having like analysis paralysis where I can't do any move because I'm just like wasting my time on analysis, but I'm not sure if it is right or not. Okay, so iterate list is called this. We'll cover this afterwards. So if we should also get like size, right? Yeah. So let's try to find so size t found size block size found. That is a great name. Let's initial. Oh, okay. So initializing a block size value which has the initializing a variable that will store the size of the block found when iterating. Oh wait, I see something. When iterating uh the free list. Okay, that's great. So now we'll send in the address of block size found. That is great. Oh, free pointer. Also, wait, free pointer is sent. We don't care. Yeah, we don't care if it's like a copy, right? But free pointer is a pointer to pointer, right? Yes, that is fair argument. Let me think about it. Copy state pointer is a void pointer to a pointer, right? Yeah. This is supposed to be right. It's supposed to be like pointer to pointer. Wait, I'll look into it afterwards. I don't have time. Yeah, 5 minutes. How many minutes in? Yeah, 49. We'll just keep it like 1 hour. We'll try to end it like exact 1 hour video. That will be cool. Okay. So if release output. So okay. So I'll send in block size found, and what I'll do over here is if we do find it, so size plus plus before that. So so this is a pointer. So size d pointer block size found, right? Block size found, yeah. So pointer to block dereferencing block size found is equal to the actual size that we no, not the actual size, but the yeah, that's the actual size. Yeah, that's correct. So yeah. So okay. So if let's keep it inside else. I know we'll be returning something over here, so we don't have to do this. So okay. So if block size found is equal to size itself, so that was the exact match, right? That was that is like exact match to block size found. So we need to do the thing where we skip that skip that block totally. Ah, that is such a headache. I think we should end over here. This will be a small video, but uh, thanks for watching. I'll just end over here because there are a lot of things going in my mind and I can't really work on them. But yeah. Also, another thing that I have to say, I will be like working some stuff offline, like, not offline, but like off camera. I'll be doing some stuff, coding some stuff off camera because I think this project is like really great, but I'm not able to allocate as much time. Like, just think of it. In a week, I'm only allocating like 3 days to it, and on the 3 days, it's 1 hour. So I am allocating only 3 hours to this project, and I can't stream a lot. I will be covering like so whenever I get time, I want to code, like I want to work on my project whenever I have time. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure on this decision, but I've said it. So okay. Thanks for watching. I'm Abdul, and I'm an engineer for fun. Bye.